Dear brothers and sisters, today I want to explain about my favorite painting, Quantum Entanglement. I will read it in English, but before that, I wanted to explain this in Tibetan language because I find it very important to speak or communicate with my Tibetan friends. Namso Tashle, Dring Nege Pögi Rimugi, Tengdu Pögi Rimuruch. That is sure in Tadisra Ramasine, Rimudi called Teshish Jawa something than the Inji Ketone Ma Shugin Jella. In a Tambudelang Shuela di Rimud Dido than Zoda Pögi Tange Rimu Luxurwa, Teneta, Tengduli Gurgio Reda in you. Tingsangi Neta Jera, Tingsangi Mizi Toda, Tangas Beba Manguch Chigele de Jota, and remove Naradojenda, remove Laptal George, and a Chig remove Jodan de Chang. Tangas a Pebeg remove Jodan de Tanda Yamadi Vangas, Laptop Vechela, Pensukan. Dharmsla Kangili, the name Jang Jange Karchasana Yamama Chigel, my own yelling a Peveg, Rimuti shared Geshim Shusra, the Kung density. This one's a Nararange laboratory Lamsa one agenda pa Del Duera, Yaraki Karanali Yogi. Remove the Lopta Mangudo and the Art College Laura. Tadela Trag go up to do the Inenga Tango Mazula Pebe Pebe Lopta and all remove Tangded Yomarwa. Remove the Dangded Medicine, but Lapish Kunkia within the Yomarwa. So that Tanga the Chibu Chad the Chad and the Kingur Shanghai Dosta, Tanga da any sorry Kachiro than the good and then Samata Labda mix car and Labda in the Yomar than the Lobdus or Donan Chambole, the Simshu Para, the Kashu, then they made it Samala. The Zinda Junior Terry Jella, the Lamsa Peve, remove Chango. Shanghai the so Gachumish Tongora. That modern art, Tengdu remove Chini Dona. Tangwa Kung density Changro, I get the Melu Shang, the Kangil Changed, and the Gesangi Kong Shasa, the Kongs and the Chang. That Dene Tange Jordan, Chasan, Jangwe Jail, ending at Pa. Europe, Belgium, la remove Lopta Chinal Zuege, and also Diras or the scholarship law, sure, that scholarship the remove channel, remove the Chige, remove Rodan, and Epic Loshis Chamaja, Digel, that and a dear the Pebeg pension and the Tanga good Tembeku Dena. Tigze dita Tempokorang Tigze Chasan Sangyosh Redadi. That did the ma turn down data Pebeg Chie Koranski, the Numsun Tangash, the Numsungi, Amatan Bencha data, the Nangas Kogolagi, the bottle and Deva, Tenzo Jordando is Dorish Dot, Kawakasan at Sunday Yangish, they all the lords. Sunday Peda, the Tanda Shuji, that's under the Tanda Chikura. Numzun Laura the Bebegi. That did Rodan any real light at the heard the Jimnadi Chi removal Tandu Shuchida, light the Kawal Pogi met, Timna the Kawachagi met. That is someone considered than that Sorwad did Digida, Chashida. The emotion, the Dendojilla, the Shuchik Digida, Tanduche, the then the remove the nearest still. That they now remove the pension Dichasan Dirada ta remove the quantum entanglement la nge de na remove the title do ta ne je la nga inji ton ma ya ko chi ngara yi di yo je te na la nge ya ko chi ma shugin ro hine di the kare shube na ta de ta music na la jumbling the chaos do jiro yor wa da di ya ma di je en ge tempo di da ko ni nyam do 냠도 튀어요. 냠보스요. 진짜 미진알다 데레 가서 냠그래 망고지요. 여러 상마다 시대 기부 대화 용해 냠보 용해디 간데스 소고 메도시 나라데 리무디도 막 가보시죠. 템버시데 제 템버디 점블링 간리 이겨르시 애니 미지기 냠그래 상마야 코지 라인 디 까버티 요시도아디 다디마 되게 다 유니파이 소라 다 녀매 녀고라 리무디 상마 믹다데 상생 망고메 여르시 믹다나 망고 지우다 되나나 차장 상여 조지 근데 갑도 도스타도 잠발야 녀매 여르시 밍밍 저르시 다데 라나 데라다 챌린지 레르다 인지도네 시잖아 다 데도지 중스네 데잔다 리무디 라라라 pet ngara to pobaki ai rimuji kasina tede soya de langa glele wajina ko chira chos kra me yoro challenge chang maro ta rimudi khago yede ngara da challenge to chadza ma ta de la ing shuwe ro joro de je pension jang ye dan de la da ma de di wa sa sangge temba da nga ge chado jigje da mango chiro den je ta ma zamzam lango den da ya zamzam mi ma nem chayo den yorwa den so cha da shabu wa ning yo ta de duksum ning go ro da di tang ye modern ki tengdu ki gyurda la gyur da de na la pen cha chana ta mi di ma oxygen ki mask go ngyo do che de kemen do che ta de ma ning yo do che de tengdu do che ro and then I love now last live like you did and which and then I'll mix it then Holland de or Amsterdam that the Heineken ge bottle the can jiva the not too sure that then that the so that was in Tibetan language especially I wanted to speak in Tibetan so that our Tibetan brothers and sisters could we could communicate to each other. I could only speak about Tibetan contemporary art from my point of view, and the title of the painting is Quantum Entanglement. So I have written very good text about it, about this painting. So I will rather write it, read it properly, and take not too much time. And thank you. Quantum entanglement and law of attraction. This futuristic Buddha on top of our planet Earth is still connecting with the universe and holds down his hand on a futuristic human being with its intrinsic Buddha nature. This means the pressing down of the three human poisons of ignorance, desire, and hatred. The human being, in contrast to other living creatures, has the ability to choose right from wrong, and by doing so, building its personal karma. Both Buddha and human beings are now space people. Therefore, the halo has become an oxygen mask. The world is now so much materialized that every mistake you make builds up and make people defensive towards each other. You see Star Wars elements: speak no evil, see no evil, hear no evil. And the Russian Sputnik 1 capsule of 1957 and the first object in our outer space, a flying bird object going through the sound barrier cloud, and the flying temple in Bodh Gaya, the Mahabodhi temple, the holiest place of Buddhism, the last flower, the symbol of life, love and God. Will this be the future of mankind? Alone, in a suit of armor and shielded? The gravitational force makes us stick to the earth. Otherwise, we would not exist. But we all do have a free spirit, just like Ai Weiwei, an important Chinese contemporary artist and architect who is in favor of Tibet and its culture. On the left, as in traditional Buddhist art, the elephants are walking from the dark to the light. The monkeys try to pull them back and keep them bound to the earth's gravitational force of a heavy life. They depict the so-called monkey mind of the human being, which in the Western science is nowadays called the dinosaur mind, which purely acts out of emotion, a wild attitude. Modern physics is now able to prove the existence of intertwining events, molecules and atoms, and call it quantum entanglement. In Buddhism, this has been a basic knowledge ever since. Everything influences everything. The practice of meditation and the doctrine of karma are examples of this way of thinking. Tibetans have been living more secluded over the last ages, focusing on internal, spiritual, and personal development, and now meet the West in its scientific proof. You see the gravitational matrix fluctuating around the world. The presence of mass influences this field. The Western scientific law of attraction. Mass is equal to energy, is equal to wavelength, is equal to love. As Einstein's E is equal to mc square. In his groundbreaking work, world-renowned Buddhist teacher Yongey Mingyur Rinpoche invites us to join him in unlocking the secrets behind the practice of meditation, working with neuroscientists at the Weizmann Laboratory for Brain Imaging and Behavior. Yongey Mingyur provides clear insights into modern research indicating the systematic training in meditation can enhance activity in areas of the brain associated with happiness and compassion. He has also worked with physicists across the country to develop a fresh, scientifically based interpretation of the Buddhist understanding of the nature of reality. With an infectious joy and insatiable curiosity, Yongey Mingyur weaves together the principles of Tibetan Buddhism, neuroscience, and quantum physics in a way that will forever change the way we understand the human experiences.